went out and bought a new Ford Mustang, and now it's here to stay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey everybody, spring has sprung and so have I for this brand new 2019 Race Red Mustang EcoBoost Edition. Of course the fit is gone now and it's sad to see it go, but this is going to be my new project car. First things first, as you can see this huge wheel gap, first thing we're going to do is put a lowering kit from Eibach on this car. I'll give you some measurements on that, and then we'll take it into the shop, have that lowering kit installed, and we'll see what she looks like.